You asked, how to divide 8436 by 6 using the long division method. 8 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 3, making 3. 3 divided by 6 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Bring down 6, making 36. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. 36 minus 36 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1406.